Alright guys, today I'm making some peanut butter cookies. All you need is 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I have that all on my dry ingredients right here. I'm going to mix them up real well. And then the liquid ingredients need 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of butter, and 1 cup of peanut butter. You mix these real well, and then you slowly add in your flour into your liquid. Make some little balls and put them on some buttered cookie sheets, or coated cookie sheets, and you bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit from 11 to 13 minutes. So I'm gonna mix these together and show you guys how I press the fork down vertically and horizontally, 1 time each way, and I'll guide you the rest of the way. Alright, here's my peanut butter, egg, and vanilla extract mixture. You see it's well blended, well incorporated. And I mix the flour, the brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and regular sugar. And then I got a little bowl, so when I do round them off into the little cookie balls, I'll roll them in there and then set them on the pan and press them out. And then throw them in the oven. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright guys, here they are. There's a lot of dough. They made a lot of dough, so if you want to divide it in half, we got a big family anyway, and they usually demolish them. So roll the dough ball out like this. You get a piece. I just got a tablespoon, a little measuring thing, and rolled it out. Put in the sugar. Coat them, or you can just set them on the pan and then just dip your fork in the sugar. And then after you're done, since I already did this, since we always make a lot of food when we do make it anyway. Family of 6, so. And then if your fork starts getting sticky, but I put my cookie dough in the refrigerator for me to make it a little easier. But if it gets sticky, just dip your fork in there too. Or you can just make the dough ball and then put your fork in there if you don't like a lot of sugar all around it. It kind of gives it a little crisp glaze on the bottom. The pan's done. Oven's already preheating. So you just do this to all of them. Look like it's about to get sticky again, so it starts picking up the cookie, you know it's sticky. It's a light press down, that's it. Put them in the oven for 11 minutes, 11 to 13. Watch it, they still be soft, but you still want to take them out because they're going to cook a little bit after they're done. So, show you the end result. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, and I really appreciate you. Alright guys, here's what the cookies turned out to look. They spread just enough. I gave them just enough room, thank you goodness. And if you see on the bottom, they're nice and golden brown. Let's see if they look in the middle. Oh yeah. They look good. Let me try. They're delicious. You should try them. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Try these cookies. God bless.